Hello everyone, today we will understand what are classes and objects in Python. So what are classes? Think class as a blueprint of something like cars. So in that blueprint we can add its what color we can assign to it, how it will be manual or automatic or and several other things. So we have defined that in our blueprint. From that blueprint, if we give to our manufacturer, okay, who's whatever it will be, and he will make different objects from that, like uh, uh, a car with white color, a car with black color, a car with manual, a car with automatic, and that's uh, that's it. Is classes and objects in Python basically. So let's understand with the example. Like A is equals to John. I'm typing out, and if I print its type in this for A, if I run this, you can see class string is printed out. Why? Let's understand this. So class string in Python, there is a library of a string stored in it, okay, which contains different contains a blueprint for a string, how string should be, what uh, what are the characteristics of the string, and etc. So there are yes, and for integer also, as you can see, for integer also there is a blueprint stored in that. Okay, now if I print this b, sorry, type of b, and if I run this, see class of integer is printed out. So same for same that integer, there is a blueprint in Python which is stored, and from that blueprint we can make different objects. Like I have created b is equals to 1, I can make b is equals to c, c is equals to 3. I made another object with value 3, and so on. So, and list is also another type of data type, sorry, data type, I am saying class. So now if I print list, let's name it list 1, okay. So yeah, so let's run this. See, it's nothing printing better because we are not assigned any value here. So you got the point. It's going to be, oh sorry, we have to type, sorry, we have to type it's, yeah, like that. Yeah, now I run this, it should give the class of list. So there is also a blueprint of a list, and we are making different objects with that blueprint. Okay, so for example, we want to make for ourselves uh, a blueprint. For example, I will make a blueprint of a car. So let's make, to make a class of that, we will name it. First we will to type class, then cars, or any name you can give. Okay, it's, I am making a class for a car, so I am making it. So to make that you have to define, okay, then you have to put init and self. So init gives different attribute, like is it is used to give different attributes, like for example model, yeah, okay, then color, oh, then what we can say, let's mod not model, let's simply type color, and uh, gear shift, gear shift, okay, like that. So now to store, we am storing in like that, color is equals to color, and self dot gear shift is equals to gear shift, okay. So right here we have made a blueprint for our car. So what it will be color, and what's its gear shift will be, automatic or manual, okay. So we can assign according to that. So now let's make objects from that. So I am making a car one from here. Okay, car one. And to assess this class, so we have to type cars, and then what parameters we have given to it, color and gear shift. So I am typing color B, let's make it white, and let's make gear shift automatic first. Okay, and let's make another car 2. So same cars, then let's make it red and let it be manual. Okay, sorry for the spelling. Manual. Yeah, that's it. So we have created two objects right here. Okay, so now from there we can access any of that variable, like print car1, it's capital C car1 dot color. Okay, so now if I run this, see why it is printing out. Let me print it few more times. Okay, so we can make it gear shift, and for that let's make gear shift, and for car 2 also. Yeah, like that. So now let me run this again. As you can see, white automatic red menu. So that's how you can make a class in Python. So that's it. And one more thing, what are method? So method, like for example, I have defined John here. Okay, it's in lowercase. So now if I print a dot upper and like this. Okay, so now if I run this, you will see it is printed out in capital letter. So what's upper doing is it's doing something. Okay, we are making our class, or our, from that blueprint we are defining something there to do something. uh, okay, so we can also define here also, uh, like def, like start, okay, then self, and from here we can print uh, your car self dot color. Oh, sorry, I have to. Your car is mm, let's what we I want to put, like mm, your car is plus then self dot color. Okay, and then plus then colo. Yeah, that's it. So I have defined a method here to do something. I am saying this class to, if I call this start function right here, is somewhere in here, it has to do something, and it is doing to, it's simply just printing out. Okay, so now if I like run this for car1, see here car1 dot start, and if I run this, see your car is white color. Sorry for the grammar. uh, yeah, your car is white color, and I can also do for car 2 also. Let's do it for car 2. Yep, that's it. Your car is red color. Yep. That's it. We can also define one more thing like for gear shift also. Let's define that also. Let's name this M manual or automatic. Okay, I'm defining like that. Sorry for that. And self dot gear shift. Your car is automatic. Okay, it will be printed out like that. And let's try this method down here for car 1 and 2. That's car 1 dot what m dot auto self, yeah, and car for car 2 also c, sorry, it's capital dot m dot, yes. Now let's run this. Let's see, your car is white, your car is red, your car is automatic, your car is manual. So that's how you can make methods in classes and object. That's it for today in class and object. Next time we will understand inheritance in classes. So that, and yes, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.